In Jamaica on a Saturday, we all know what most Jamaicans will be having for dinner. If you guessed soup, then you are correct. And more than likely, it will be pumpkin soup. Now, oftentimes, the seeds of the pumpkin are discarded, or in patois we say, throw down a bush. But today, I am here to tell you that you should cease from discarding your pumpkin seeds because they are highly nutritious. Hello everyone, I'm Chanel, aka NoMediocre876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food and lifestyle videos. So after you're through watching this video, feel free to go and check out the other videos. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, feel free to go ahead and subscribe right now and turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss out on any video I upload on the channel. Pumpkin seeds has a lot of health benefits for both women and men. And one such benefit that comes to mind for each gender respectively is that for postmenopausal women, it helps to reduce the risk of osteoporosis. This is so because it is highly rich in calcium and magnesium. For men, it contains a compound called phytosterol. Now, phytosterol is used to improve testosterone production. Thus, it increases sperm count and fertility. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and as usual, leave a comment right down below.
Eating a small amount of pumpkin seeds can provide you with a substantial quantity of healthy fats, magnesium, and zinc. Thus, they have been associated with several health benefits, including improved heart health, prostate health, and protection against certain cancers. Pumpkin seeds are high in antioxidants. Antioxidants can reduce inflammation and protect your cells from harmful free radicals. Pumpkin seeds reduce risk of certain cancers. Studies suggest that the lignans in pumpkin seeds play a key role in preventing and treating breast cancer. It improves prostate and bladder health. Pumpkin seeds may reduce symptoms of benign prostate enlargement, which is a condition in which the prostate gland enlarges, causing problems with urination and also an overactive bladder. It's high in magnesium. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium. Healthy magnesium levels are important for your blood pressure and blood sugar levels, as well as heart and bone health. It may improve heart health. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of antioxidants, magnesium, zinc, and unsaturated fats, all of which may help keep your heart healthy. It can lower blood sugar levels. Pumpkin seeds may help reduce blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. However, more research is needed. It's high in fiber. Whole pumpkin seeds are a good source of fiber. Diets high in fiber are associated with many health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. May help improve sleep. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of tryptophan and magnesium, both of which help promote good sleep.